Today I am going to give you an overview regarding advertising on digital platforms. So let's get started. This is a summary of my presentation. This is a mind map that I have created which includes all the topics and subtopics that I am going to discuss today. So first of all, starting from introduction, we are going to discuss what is advertising, what is digital advertising, who is the target audience, and how does digital advertising work. Now coming to the body, we are going to discuss advantages and merits of digital advertising, types of social media and digital ads, and popular social media platforms used for advertising, such as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, and YouTube ads. Finally, we arrive at the conclusion about our topic, that is advertising on digital platforms. Now coming to the introduction, what is advertising? Advertising is a means of communication with the users of a product or service. It is a form of marketing which attempts to influence the actions of its target audience to either buy, sell, or a product or service. Advertising is a marketing tactic that involves paying for space to promote a product, service, or idea. Now let's discuss this in detail. Advertising is a First of all, we will discuss the meaning of advertising. Advertising is a promotional activity which aims to sell a product or service to a target audience. It is a means of communication with the users of a product or service. It is one of the oldest forms of marketing which attempts to influence the actions of its target audience. The actual message are called advertisement or ads in short form. According to Philip Kotler, advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods, and services by an identified sponsor. An ad is designed by an ad agency for a sponsor or a brand and publicized on various media like print, TV, radio, internet, etc. Ads usually appear on television, radio, newspaper, magazines, billboards, pamphlets, and digital media or internet. As we all know, advertising is always present in one form or another. In today's world, advertising uses every possible media to get its message through. Now coming to the next heading, that is types of advertising. Advertising is usually divided into two fields: traditional advertising and digital advertising. Traditional advertising refers to mass media that delivers commercial messages to mass audiences. Mass media includes television, radio, print media such as newspapers, magazines, journals, etc., and outdoor media like billboards, hoardings, banners, pamphlets, etc. Traditional advertising has been popular for more than 150 years and includes popular media like TV, radio, print media, newspaper, magazine, and outdoor media like billboard, hoarding, etc. Print advertising is the most effective for businesses as it revolves around a target audience personally receiving the ad through newspaper, magazine, flyers, and mail. Now, coming to the digital part. Digital advertising is the practice of delivering promotional content to users through various online and digital channels. Digital advertising uses medium of communication such as social media, search engines, mobile applications, email marketing, affiliate programs, and websites to show ads and messages to various audiences. It is a form of marketing and advertising which uses the internet to deliver promotional messages to consumers. It basically revolves around online activities like display ads, social media ads, search engine ads, mobile apps, online groups, communities, affiliate programs, and websites. Now we come to the Digital part, that is digital advertising. What is digital advertising? Digital advertising is the process of delivering promotional content to users through various online and digital channels such as social media, search engine, mobile apps, email marketing, online communities, and websites. Digital advertising leverages mediums such as social media, search engine, mobile apps, email marketing, affiliate program, and websites to show advertisement and messages to audiences. The target audience of digital advertising are active users of internet, secondly, people who use smartphone and laptops, third, social media users like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And people who do online shopping on e-commerce portals like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. Now coming to the part, how does digital advertising work? Digital advertising work by using internet-based tools to research, manage, track, analyze, and improve online advertising campaigns. Digital ads can be personalized or customized to match the relevance of your target customer. In digital, it is possible to track virtually every step your customer makes in relation to your ad. This step helps in maximizing the conversion ratio. Now coming to the advantages of digital advertising. Digital advertising has various merits and advantages, such as they are very affordable and economical. Secondly, they are fast and accurate. Third, they are specific and target oriented, means you can target various users based on their age, gender, income level, etc. Fourth, it is suitable for small and medium business owners as they don't have large budgets to advertise. They are easier to track and analyze on Google and Facebook and other platforms. It can be fifth, it can be segmented on the basis of demography, geography, like age, gender, location, etc. And it is a more widely used form of promotion. Now coming to the types of digital advertising. We have various types of digital ads. The most prominent among them are number one, PPC ads, also known as pay-per-click ads, in which you have to pay according to the clicks that you get on your ads. Second is the CPM ads, cost per impressions ad, in which you have to pay according to the impressions that you are getting on your ads. Third are the search ads, which are displayed on various search engines like Google, etc. Fourth is the remarketing ads. Like if you go on any website and you can see ad appearing on the side banner of that website. So that is called remarketing ad, which appears on every website that you visit, maybe Flipkart or Amazon or some any other third-party website like GSM Arena, etc. And most important are the social media ads, which appear on various social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. And last and final is the email marketing, which includes the content marketing ads which are sent to users via email. Now coming to the social media advertising platforms. There are various social media platforms that are used for advertising, but the most widely used and most common are these five platforms, which are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Now let's discuss these one by one. First is the Facebook. As you know, Facebook is a social networking website which allows users to sign up for free profiles to connect with friends, colleagues, batchmates, relatives, or other people they don't know online. It allows users to share pictures, music videos, articles, as well as their own thoughts and opinion with large number of users. Second is the Instagram. Instagram is an online photo and video sharing social networking service. It allows users to edit and upload photos and short videos through a mobile app. Users can add a caption to their posts, use hashtags, like, comment on other posts, and send messages to their friends. Photos can also be shared on other social media sites like Facebook and Twitter via this platform. Next is the Twitter. Twitter platform is a micro-blogging and social networking service on which users post and interact with messages known as tweets. Registered users can post, like, and retweet their tweets, but unregistered users can only read the tweets and cannot like and comment on them. This platform can be accessed both through website and mobile application. Now the fourth one is the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a business and employment oriented online platform. It is mainly used for professional networking, including employers posting jobs and job seekers posting their CVs. It is a networking website designed for business professionals. It allows you to share work related information with other users and keep a list of professional contacts. Example: LinkedIn profile highlights education and past work experience similar to a resume. Now the last one is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform that allows users to watch videos posted by other users and also upload their own videos. There is no limit on the number of videos that you can share or watch. Users can create a channel on the platform, upload videos, share them, add to playlists, comment, give a rating to them, and also subscribe to other user channels. There is also an option of a bell icon in which you get notification for new videos that are posted by other users if you have subscribed to their channel. Videos are also posted by people from all over the world from all types of background. Now I will show you some examples of social media ads. This ad, as you can see, is a sponsored ad posted on Facebook. This is a brand called HelloFresh, which is uh, delivering 8 free meals and providing free shipping during the summer season. Next ad we have this sponsored video ad also from Facebook. This is also a food food chain advertisement which shows basically a bakery product known as donut, in which they are promoting their bakery products like donuts and pastries online through posting videos on Facebook platform. Next we come to the Instagram ad. As you can see, this is an ad of Wendy's brand, which is a fast food brand serving fast food like burgers and French fries. This ad is posted on the Instagram platform and is very attractive. Next we come to the this category which is called the story ad. This ad, as you can see, is also related to a bakery product from BJ's restaurant chain, also known as Brew House Restaurant, in which they are providing this free Pizookie every day. Next we come to the LinkedIn ads. This is an example of a LinkedIn text ad posted by a vice president of a big organization who is motivating her employees to speak in the free webinar. and improve their communication skills. Next, we come to the content ad. This ad is also from LinkedIn platform, and this is basically um, from a brand known as Spotify. Next, we come to the in-mail ad, which is part of email marketing. In which in this ad you can see that this is an ad posted by Canada Post, and this ad is basically about Canada tourism. And this ad is basically posted inside your inbox, and it's written in detail, sharing all the minute details and other rules and regulations. So you can read this ad to get more details. Now coming to this ad, as you can see, this ad is a Twitter ad, promoted ad, displaying sunglasses by this brand Shady Rays, which is providing tough sunglasses, and also they have an offer running providing free replacement if your sunglass is broken or misplaced. Next is this Twitter Trends ad. As you can see in this ad, you can see the number of tweets that are approximately 75,000, and this ad is also promoting World Refugee Day. Now coming to the next ad, we have a Twitter promoted ad by Amazon Prime Video platform. Amazon Prime Video is also a video sharing platform, and it is promoting its brand over Twitter for various followers who are following the Amazon Prime Video Twitter account. Next, we come to the YouTube ads. YouTube ad, as you can see in this ad is by a brand, by a college named as Central Penn College, located in US, and you can see two students interacting with each other regarding some educational course, and you can see in the side banner two ads of some different brand also appearing along with the main ad. So this is a real benefit, that along with the YouTube ad, you can see two more ads of a different provider who is also advertising on the same platform. Now coming next to another YouTube ad, we can see this is an ad of a Uber Eats, which is a food delivery company, and it is advertising on YouTube about its membership Uber Eats Pass. Now coming to the conclusion, finally we can say that digital advertising is definitely better and gives faster results as compared to traditional media. Digital advertising is the contemporary and modern version of advertising and will continue to grow at a fast pace in future. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing wins the show as it is more effective both in terms of cost and results. Digital ads ensure that the engagement of the customer pertains for long. It hits the right customer at the right place and right platform, be it Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or email. It gives your business instant publicity In the end, I would like to underline the fact that digital marketing is far better than any other kind of marketing because it is engaging, cost effective, and directly reaches the right audience. Thank you, friends. Please visit my blog digitaladgraph.com for more information.